everybody, welcome to Maker Monday, February. This month we're all about friendship and we're gonna make friendship bracelets. In your Maker Monday pack, you should have received 8 different colors of thread. We were thinking maybe one for you, one for a friend, so choose those colors carefully. We're gonna teach you the basics of how to make a friendship bracelet. Once you know the basics, there is no limit as to what you can do. You can make all kinds of amazing patterns, all different sizes. The sky is the limit. So with that being said, let's get started on those basics. The supplies you will need to make your bracelet are 4 strands of embroidery floss, some tape, and your handy dandy how-to sheet. In order to get started, gather your 4 strands of floss and tie a knot at the end. Make sure to leave plenty of room at the end so that you can tie your bracelet together. Next, take your bracelet and a piece of tape. Securely tape down your bracelet to a hard surface just above the knot that you made for your bracelet. Next, you're going to separate the 4 strands of embroidery floss. Now we have string 1, 2, 3, and 4. To begin, grab string 1 and bring it over string 2 and pull string 1 from under string 2 to create a loop. Take your loop and slide it all the way up to the knot that you created earlier. Now do the same thing with strand 3. Place string 1 over the top, bring it under, and slide your loop all the way up to the knot. You'll do the same thing again with string 4. Once you have finished with the final string, string 1 will now become string 4. String 2 is now string 1. So just like you did before, take string 1, place it over, then under. Careful not to tangle up the other strings. And slide your loop all the way to the top. This is how you will continue to make your bracelet. As you continue, you will see a pattern start to form. This is your friendship bracelet. Awesome job! We hope that you guys had fun creating friendship bracelets and that you take it from there and make some amazing creations, and be sure to share that talent with your friends. Join us next month in March where we have some St. Patrick's Day fun with some shamrocks. Until then, have a great month, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.